Do you wanna say something? Can you see a little buddy? Little feet. I gotta do a check of the diaper to see if there's anything going on in there. Huh? Is that Isabel? Is that my little tiny Isabel? You look pretty big on my camera screen. You're really only tiny, aren't you? Yeah, a tiny bit grumpy. Not the best time of the day. Let me try to get back a tiny bit. Yeah, she'll be home soon. Is she gone with the... Oh, we're going to split up. Oh, dear. Has she gone off with Anouk to go to the park? And it's just been raining really hard, so they're all wet. Oopsie daisy. Oopsie daisy. Get some good filming going on for Mama. Achoo! Achoo! Gonna show your feet? I love the feet. I love the feet. See how tiny they are? Oh. Yeah. Not there. There she is. Is that Isabel? Can you do Isabel? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Isabel. Yeah, it's on his phone. Are you watching? Can you follow? Can I make some noises? You got such cute noises. And there's more feet action. I like the feet. Little legs. Little tiny legs. Still a bit dry skinned, aren't we, from being all in that water for so long. We've got our pajamas off a little bit because we're having a little air. And our tiny little hands. Even though they look a little large in some of our photographs. Alright, should we say goodbye? Should we say goodbye? Okay. Bye-bye. Looks like something's happening in the belly area. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.